In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about a revolutionary text-to-video generation software which is going to change the filmmaking and video creating world completely. And we are also going to do some competitive analysis so that we can see how this software is going to be changing the entire definition of text to video in the field of AI. And towards the end, I'm going to reveal this magical software's name. So make sure you stick around with me till the end, and for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Let us see how this software is going to create 3D animation videos just by one click. These videos are created with the help of some text prompt. You're seeing on my screen some 3D animation videos, and the prompts are also being shown on the screen. So these sort of VFX or animations can be created just by a couple of words. Let us move forward to see the vlogging and cinematographic shots. These are few videos which are created again from AI and with that mysterious software which I'm going to talk about. Now let us do some fun thing. Let us take one of the examples and try to create the same video from different other text-to-video softwares which are available at this moment. The first software I'm going to show you is Runway ML. If you want to see the complete tutorial of Runway ML, you may get that video link in the description. You may check. For the time being, for testing purpose, I have copied the same prompt of a squirrel 3D animation, and I have pasted that same prompt here. Now I have changed a couple of parameters here. Here I have taken pan left camera motion and saved it. And here I have taken from different styles. I have picked up 3D cartoon style. And then go to generate for 4 seconds, and this is what I got from Runway ML text to video animation. Now the third software which I'm going to use is Leonardo AI Motion. Here again you can get my complete tutorial link in the description. You may go ahead and check that, but for now I will show you how have I created these videos. Well, once you log into Leonardo AI, you need to go to image generation option, and on the search on the prompt box I have pasted the exact same prompt, and then I have selected two images. From here I have selected 3D animation style and just change the ratio to 16:9. Then I have just clicked on this generate button, and these were two images which came out from this prompt. This was number 1 and this was number 2. Then I upscaled it by going to this smooth upscaling option. Once it is done, go to this small motion option and keep the motion strength 2 to 3 maximum, and then go to this generate option. And after generating this was the final outcome from this software with the same prompt. Now you can jolly well understand the difference. It is heaven difference with the existing AI text to video, text to motion softwares and the video which I have shown you. Now let me reveal the name of the software. The name of the software is openai.com/Sora. Please go in the description and get the link, and you can check. This is basically at this moment this is not physically available to us, but you can see the potential. You can just type the prompt and it will generate the most realistic animation video, or even anything, whatever it is coming in your imagination. You just put it in words and it will create the visuals in the most realistic way, and these are few of such examples. It has been announced only on 15th of February 2024. So we can expect, we just need to put the prompt in the prompt box and it is going to generate up till 60-second video, guys. This is to be a very challenging part for text to video generators. Only 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds, maximum 10 seconds of clip we used to create, and here in Sora we will be able to create 60 seconds long video. So we have seen Sora is going to bring a revolution in the world of artificial intelligence text to video niche, and we, those who are actually experimenting with AI tools, it is going to be a true blessing for all of us. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI, and try out these prompts in some other text to video softwares which are available with us, and see the difference and get ready for this revolutionary journey with OpenAI Sora. It is going to be available for us very soon. Please, I look forward for your comment. Do let me know how this software appears to be for you. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.